Hey! This is Doom Attack, running on my 030 Blizzard 50 MHz. I remember Doom was very bad on the 030 back in the day, but I was surprised. I tried this version and yeah, see for yourself. You see, looking up and down. You see the frame rate is not bad at all. It's actually very good. So this is very playable on the 030 processor. That was surprising. If it was this fast back in the day, they could have released this game for Amiga. Oh, where is again? I'm trying to find. I don't remember this game. So well, here it is. Here to find someone to shoot at. Oops. Yeah. So if you have an 030 CPU, you should install this game because it's actually fun to play.